Hi everybody, my name is Michael Bowman with Standard Golf Company. Today we're going to go over many different things that Standard Golf provides when it comes to your practice green, so let's jump in. The first thing we're going to be going over today is the Pinpoint Cup Changer. The Pinpoint Cup Changer consists of the handle along with the metal rod and also metal lip that corresponds with the handle up top. To use it, come out to your practice green cup, put in the hole, turn the handle 90 degrees, which will release the cup. When putting the cup back in the hole, place it in, turn the handle 90 degrees, and out it goes. With the Pinpoint Cup Changer, you also get a nice set screw here, so you can set it to both your practice green depth along with your tournament depth. The second thing we're going to be going over is our practice green cup. We have both our steel along with our plastic practice green cup, along with our, maybe not so much for the practice green, but we do have our steel and plastic 8-inch and 6-inch special event cup. Now when it comes to the top 1 inch of your cup, we have two alternatives to be able to have it white. We have both the target ring right here, along with our easy white system right here. For our next few items, we have a few different ones when it comes to our rods. We have our practice green rod right here. We also have our junior practice green rod. This does have the taper at the very middle. And our third option we have is our practice green target. When it comes to our next practice green item, we have our flags. Standard Golf supplies many different flags consisting of our checkered right here, along with our plain, our numbered, our screen print, our embroidered, along with our die sub. In addition to all the flags, Standard Golf also offers aluminum heads along with our pennant set heads. The last item we have on our list for today is the Greenskeeper tool by Standard Golf. Fix any pitch mark on the green with ease.
When it comes to your practice green, standardgolf.com has you covered. From flags to flagsticks to cups to anything else practice green, use standardgolf.com. Buy today, ship tomorrow. Have a great one.